You can now make online payments to Department of Cinema Development via GovPay.
An SUV driven by former Speaker of Parliament and National People's Power MP Asoka Ranwala collided with a car and a motorbike in Sapugaskanda on December 11th, injuring 3 people, including an infant. MP Ranwala, who was hospitalised following the accident, was later arrested and released on bail after being produced before court virtually. However, concerns were raised over the conduct of the police in the incident, particularly the failure to conduct a timely sobriety test. Following directives from the Inspector General of Police, Deputy Inspector General of the Traffic Management and Road Safety Division, WPJ Senadira, led an investigation into the conduct of Sapugaskanda police officers. According to the report, a police sergeant arrived at the accident site at around 7:50 p.m, around 25 minutes after the collision. By 8 p.m, the officer in charge of Sapugaskanda Police and the head of its traffic division also reached the scene, but by that time the MP and the injured individuals were no longer there. The sergeant later inquired about the injured at Kiribathgoda Hospital around 9:30 p.m, but only spoke with a security officer who said the victims had been transferred to Colombo National Hospital. The sergeant did not verify the information with hospital authorities. MP Ranwala was in fact present at Kiribathgoda Hospital at the time before being transferred to the Colombo National Hospital, where he was confronted by the victim's family. The police sergeant in question was also present at the scene but left without further action due to the tense situation. The report states that police were unable to conduct a sobriety test due to Ranwala's hospitalization. In such instances, the standard procedure requires submitting a medico-legal examination form, but Sapugaskanda police failed to do so at Kiribathgoda Hospital, and the form was only handed to the MP at Colombo National Hospital the following day. Neither the officer in charge nor the traffic division head had visited either of the hospitals for investigations. The report highlights that the MP was arrested only after the IGP's intervention, and that given the serious allegations and injuries, police were obligated to act immediately but failed to do so. The report finds the officer in charge, the traffic division head, the senior superintendent and other district officers to be in breach of duties. The police media division stated that the Inspector General of Police has instructed the Special Investigation Unit to carry out preliminary inquiries and take strict disciplinary action against the officers found responsible.